in front of me here a professional 20 meter BNC to BNC power cable. So basically what it is you're running both power and the BNC picture connections from your camera back to your DVR in this pre-terminated cable. So it comes in this outer bag here. I've cut it open, but it's a sealed bag, and it just gives the length and description of the product. Handy if you have a number of them in stock. And then we have it pre-wrapped here. Okay, so what we have on both ends is we have good quality connectors on it. So the BNC connections are obviously identical. So one will go to the camera, one onto the DVR, and then we have the power connections here. So it's a 2.1 millimeter socket and jack here, so they would slot together like that, but obviously not into themselves, but into the power and to the camera directly. The reason that we've gone for this particular spec here is that we just wanted to have a higher quality again range of pre-terminated cables, and the advantage of that is twofold. The first of all is that it's guaranteed going to work every time, and then the second thing is by going for this higher spec we've been able to extend out our range not just at a maximum of 20 meters here, but we've been able to extend it to 20 or 35 and 50 meters as well, which with lower quality cables just isn't possible. But all of our professional range is made with exactly the same spec. In relation to right next to us here, we just have a camera set up, and we have just run from the DVR directly on here, so you can just see the picture quality, and it's brilliant. And this is actually running here on the 20 meter version. The alternative to having a pre-terminated cable just would be to come along and have a cable and cut it exactly the length and things like that. But you know, there's a lot of work, you need the tools, all the rest of it here. So even on professional installs, particularly if you're running through an attic, something like that, really handy to use something like that. So that's it, an overview of the professional 20 meter BNC and power cable.